So this is Euro pound analysis for Tuesday the 25th of September. Now let's just have a look at the prices and where price may likely go. So here on the euro against the pound, we've had price come down towards the 88.51, held support, tested the 88.74, held support there. Also saw this sharp acceleration here to the upside through 89.14, from towards the 89.80. Had a bit of a flag forming here. Saw the breakdown from this 89.80, taking us all the way down towards this 400 period moving average. Didn't take us all the way back down towards the 89.14 here on the euro against the pound. Instead, we've come down towards the 400 period moving average, from which we've seen the bullish buy-side momentum return to the market, tested the 89.80. We've had a pullback, had a rally, couldn't quite go as high, so we have had a high there. We've got a lower high there. The rally failed before possibly testing the 89.80, and we do seem poised to test that 400 period moving average. If we break beyond the 400 period moving average, very next level of note is at 89.14. In around that 89.14, we do have the 200 period moving average. There's also increased likelihood of seeing a bullish bounce due to the confluence of the 200 period moving average. But if we do have sufficient volatility to bring us beyond the 89.14 and that 200 period moving average, the very next level of note is at 88.74, previous in area, which acted as a support here on the euro against the pound. And beyond that, we've got the 88.51, pretty much our lows before this sharp accelerated move to the upside began. Now, if we do see a bit of a turnaround, if we do find support in around that 400 period moving average or that 89.14, we do see a successful break and hold of that 89.80. If it doesn't act as resistance again for further sell side momentum, if we do see a break rather than it acts as a major resistance, the very next level here to the upside beyond the 89.80 is a move up towards that 90.24 here on the euro against the pound. I wouldn't anticipate price moving much beyond the 90.24. The very next level beyond that is 90.98, which I don't anticipate coming to focus here on the euro against the pound. So we'll have a look here at the daily chart. So on this daily chart of the euro against the pound, we can see we're trending to the upside. We broke out of a trend somewhat. We do have highs, lower highs still. We've encountered our resistance around 89.80, despite seeing this rather strong bullish candle of the momentum which was found after testing the 88.51. Fairly strong bullish candle, possibly news related, and we are seeing a bit of a pullback at present from this 89.80. So again, we'll see whether we can hold on to this 89.45 where we are at present. If we can hold that 89.45 and see a move back up towards that 89.80, but if we do fail to hold 89.45, I mentioned 89.14, possibly a reverse back to the moves down towards 88.74, and if that is the case, levels of note beyond the 88.51 is of course at 88.20. It's previous scenario. We've found support here on the euro against the pound, but we also have the confluence of 200 and 400 period moving averages. Thus increased likelihood to find support there from a daily chart perspective. But overall, as we can see, the market was starting to broke this trend, which was to the upside, started to head to the downside. We've had this strong move to the upside, but we aren't able to sustain higher prices, say the 89.80, to retest their previous highs. So we'll see whether we do continue to have post lower highs and see a continued fall here in the euro against the pound. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the euro pound analysis. Thanks for watching.